When you get ready to apply for tenure, it's important to have all your documents of your accomplishments on hand. I'd include your job description because you're going to be referring back to that and some of the higher level things that you're doing, just to jog your memory. And a list of, hopefully a list of everything that you've been doing since you started at your college. That would include everything from special projects that you've worked on to committee work, basically everything that you've been working on.
The first step, I would say, is to be organized from the minute you start your position. If you can get your hands on the questions right away, a copy of them, that really helps you know what you're going to be collecting in terms of information. So if, for example, if you're on a committee, a search committee, when you're in the bulletin on your campus announcing that you're on the committee, print that copy, and that is a file that you start, or create an electronic email copy to save that. Courses that you create or modify, any of those changes that you make and it goes before the educational committee, keep copies of things that have your name on it that show that you have growth and development in your department in terms of teaching your courses, any committees you're on, search committees, NEAS committees, program accreditation committees, anything that you do that's on the level of teaching, service, community work, campus work. Save copies of things that have your name and that describe what your responsibilities are. And as you create the files, once you have the questions, you'll know what you need to answer those questions.
Some of the places that you might look for tenure information that you need for your application would be if you apply for any special funds for your college, if they require you to report back. That's usually a good source of information. You can also look at your promotion. If you apply for a promotion, that's a great source of information. You'd still have a couple of years that you need to add to that, but that would be a good starting point.